car, won the Lucas Nationals one year at Super Gas, and been running that car for about, what, 12 years, something like that? 14. He's definitely knows what's going on.
And the 035 at the starting line doesn't hurt.
I know.
Nice. Nice lead. BIR champion. 26 years old, 73 Nova with a 383 Chevrolet. The 11 qualifier at 964, 142 miles per hour.
King Street coming at you. Jason Neschheim out of Mazeppa with a Ford Mustang, 400 cubic inch Windsor combination with nitrous getting converted over there. Number 14 qualifier, so fairly close. Should be a good race. Ford Chevrolet.
BIR, champion. However, how do you get a 404 on the tree and your opponent gets a 098, you come on strong and win it at the far end? Wow.
Did a job on it.
Yeah, 945. Lulled him to sleep, I think.
Well, she was going to